In front of me is Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Photos app and decide if you want to delete them from Photos or Collections. Let's start with Collections. Pick any album from your smartphone. Hold any photo you wanna get rid of and use those icons at the top right corners of chosen sections. I have only today to select multiple at once. Now to keep some of those photos, click on them, and to get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Now, if you want to delete them from Photos section, do exactly the same. The only difference is that the delete button is now available at the bottom, so click on it and confirm your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!